I got broads in the line.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Hello, good morning everyone. So today I want to show you what the accommodation at the University of Sunderland looks like. So in case you're considering coming to the University of Sunderland, this is what the accommodation actually looks like. I'll take you through the bedroom and down through the kitchen. So come with me, let's go. These are other blocks at the University of the Clanny house. Yo man! So as you can see, this is the key. This is the as you can see, this is the kitchen.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Are you eating this?
Of course, and this.
So what are you cooking?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
So this is my roommate. He's from Morocco.
Yeah. Welcome to Morocco.
Yeah. That's for the hot water. This bedroom is for 2 people. You can see it's really lovely, it's nice. Standard bedroom. Yeah, standard bedroom.
I hate all this overthinking.
Wow, this is lovely.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
So as you can see, there's a cupboard.
La, la,
Right here is a mirror
oh,
inside the room. And there's a light so that you can see.
Get
this
me
is-
out of broken hearts and starting fights,
You have
turning truth to
all
lies.
water running.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
And you have
I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
And there's an internet, steady internet 24 hours.
To where we started out.
To let you down, forget anything. Wanna give you everything. You know you probably think that you are better now. You only say that 'cause I'm not around.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Do what to like the video, share the video to your friends that want to come to the University of Sunderland, and do what to hit the red subscribe button. Yeah, hit the red subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Peace. I'm out.